1.
Negative 1. What about 8 divided by 4? 2. Maybe that's 2 over 2. Now, in this particular example, it actually worked out kind of nice for us because we didn't really have to worry about the division. It kind of took care of itself. I want to show you guys what to do if it didn't work out that way. What if you end up with a fraction divided by 2? What does it mean to divide something by 2? Cut it in half. What does it mean to take half of something? How would you do that mathematically? I wanted you to take a half of something. What would you do? Divide by 2 or multiply by half. So if we took this one up here, like that right there, I could have done that by taking that result and multiplying it by 1/2. That's exactly kind of what we're going to do there. So we end up with negative 1/2, 1 as your final result. So if you end up like a fraction, let's say we end up with 5/9 all over 2. The way you handle that is you take the division of 2 and turn it into a multiplication problem. So 5/9 times 1/2. That will give us 5/18. Did you guys understand that? So dividing by 2 is the same thing as multiplying by 1/2. All right, that's all I have for us today. Okay, we practiced that. Oh, hold on, we got one more slide. Sorry. This is the easy part of the day, honestly. I like this problem because it's super easy. All you gotta do is be able to count. That is for your focus right now.
Yeah, we're focusing right now. Okay, there you go.
All right, so yeah. So here's the problem we have right now. We have A, we have M, but we're missing the second endpoint. Okay, so we have one endpoint, we have the midpoint, we're missing Bree. You want things like that, right? We've got Brian, we've got Sam, we're missing where Bree is. That's why our job is to go find out where Bree is. As long as you can count, you should be able to do this. Literally. Okay, let's say that Brian was here, and I take 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, and that's where Sam is. What would I have to do to figure out where Bree is? You take 4 more steps. Does that make sense? That's all we're going to do. What'd you do? This is the question you ask yourself. What did you do to go from -3 to 1?
Added 4.
Added how much?
4.
4. So we increase by 4. So, to figure out where B is, guess what you're going to do again? We're going to add another 4. What's 1 plus 4? There we go. That's the x value. Just repeat what you just did. Now, focus on the y's. What did you do to go from 6 to 2? We subtracted 4. So guess what you're going to do again? You're going to subtract another 4. So what's 2 minus 4?
-2.
-2. -5. Or sorry, 5 comma -2.
So,
That's it.
yeah.
Okay.